Alright everyone, about 2 in the afternoon. Now I'm thinking I'm just going to work on getting this all cleaned up around here. I got some decent boards out of that last log. That's actually a really nice 2x6 right there. Clear. Oh no, one little knot right there. Damn. Almost clear. I almost was out of it. Yeah, because this is the one right before it. Yeah, but anyways, so I'll get this all cleaned up and I'll be ready for the guy bringing the pine logs tomorrow for me to mill up. I think he said it was 7 or 8 logs. He took a picture and sent them to me. I don't think they were no bigger than 16 inches in diameter, so I'll get that done in the morning and be back to regularly scheduled logs in my yard. I do have to do that one out front in my neighbor's yet so that I can finish getting my few pine trees. It was a deal we had. He unfortunately is doing real bad and they don't expect much longer than a week on him. They checked him into hospice. He had cancer and they thought he had a beat, and then it came back again and they were trying chemo again, and he's really, since he's been back here the last month or two, he's just really deteriorated, and his daughter stopped over here and said, well, if you still want to go on with doing the trees, go ahead, Gary, you know. And we're trying to buy the place next door. We already offered him a nice settlement, you know, or a nice offer on it already, and he wasn't against it. He just didn't want to sell it. I think he wanted to leave it to his daughter, you know, but she's all for selling it, so we hopefully we'll be able to get it. And that's 10 acres right next to us. It'd be just a little bit on the other side of those trees. Really long 10 acres. It's only 156 or 60 wide, but yeah, it'd be nice. All right, everyone, you have a good rest of your day, and I'm gonna do my favorite thing, put wood away.